Hi, my lovelies. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing good and thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, you know the drill, right? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And welcome to another Amazon haul video. So, yes, guys, in this haul, you're gonna see some amazing Amazon viral finds that I have for you guys. And most of the products are under 500 rupees. So, make sure to watch this video till the end. So, now, without any further ado, let's get started. Before we move forward, I just want to inform you guys that the Amazon Great Freedom Sale is live now and get up to 70% off on all fashion brands. So yes guys, what are you waiting for? But before that, let's continue with the video. Okay, so the first item that I have with me is, ta-da! Guys, this is sleeper from Bata, and we know that Bata really serve good sleepers, especially footwear, you can say. So yes guys, this is the one that I have with me. I'm in size 4 and just look at the color combination, like pink and black can never go wrong. You can see that, and it is like, this is the back side guys, and it is not slippery as well. Like it is so soft, to be honest, like this. And आपको ना ऐसा प्रेशर वाला ये वाला भी मिल जाएगा. So it is so soft. Oh my god, I absolutely love it. It fits me so well. Obviously it is a plastic material. I just absolutely love it. Another color is also available. And yes guys, this is the first one that I have with me, and I actually, to be honest, I was in need of sleepers, so I got it guys. I got this one. So this is the first one that I have with me, and for this one it just cost me 356 rupees, and I think in 356 it is a steal deal. Highly recommended. Okay, so now moving towards our another item. So another item that I have with me in this haul is, ta-da! Guys, this cap from Puma. I love this cap, guys. Trust me. क्या आप भी मेरे जैसे हो जिसको हर कोई cap पसंद नहीं आता है और अच्छा नहीं दिखता है? So yes, guys, I also fall into that category. But ये वाला मैंने जो Amazon से ऑर्डर किया था, I was kind of indecisive about it, but अब जब मैं आ गया हूँ और मैं इसको इतना पहनती हूँ guys, if you follow me on Instagram, most of the time when I go to gym, I go with this one. And especially if I'm traveling outside, for like longer period of time and there's like too much of sun, then I always go with this one. If I'm not having a good hair day, this comes in my rescue, to be honest guys. And it has this metal Puma design going on right here, and आपको ऐसा वाला पीछे से मिल जाएगा, so you don't have to worry at all. And थोड़ा सा इसमें ventilation भी है, you can see that it fits me so well. And आगे से इसका ये भी बहुत sturdy है, अंदर से भी ऐसा वाला है, you can see that. This is my most amazing purchase from Amazon, and you get this in other different colors as well. And for this one it just cost me 469 rupees, and I think in 469 it is a steal deal. Highly recommended. अभी जाकर ले लो guys, trust me. Okay, so now moving towards our another item. So another item that I have with me in this haul is, ta-da! Guys, ये belt है, and I know that आपने ये वाला belt तो दिखा होगा. Pin interesting वाला belt है guys, trust me. So just have a look. So मेरे पास बहुत black color का belt है, so I decided to go with brown this time. And ये वाला ना पूरा pin interesting वाला belt है, to be honest. So ta-da! Guys, so yes, this is the big belt I'm talking about, and each में you can see that it has this elastic thing going on, and it is a pure leather material. And आपको ऐसा वाला ये, this is the big belt that you can style, especially wearing skirt on top of your shirt, like however you want to style it guys. This is the one. So yeah, according to your preference, आप इसको ऐसा लगाकर, this is the one guys. Absolutely love it. Quality इतना अच्छा है, trust me. You get this in black also. I was in need of brown, so मैंने इसको brown में ले लिया. Highly recommended. And you can style this in multiple ways, to be honest. And for this one it just cost me 289 rupees, and I think in 289 it is a steal deal, so highly recommended. Okay, so now moving towards our another item. So another item that I have with me in this haul is this skirt guys. I was in shock when I saw this skirt on Amazon, and it would just cost me 300 rupees, that too jean skirt. So oh my god, this is the one that I have with me guys, and I'm in size 28. Just look at the color, मेरा same ना blue color में है, ऐसा black में नहीं था, तो मैंने इसको black में ले लिया है. How did you like it guys? How did you like it? Just tell me. I absolutely love it. It has this pocket. Jeans कभी भी पुराना नहीं होता है guys. And yes guys, इसमें back pocket भी है. You can see that. आप में से belt hook भी दिया हुआ है. Closer and chain closer both. It has chain closer as well. You can see that. And इसका length भी perfect है. So you can see that it has this back cut to it पीछे से. So yes guys, this is the one that I have with me. I absolutely love it. So yes guys, this is highly recommended. It was just in 300 rupees. Can you believe me? 300 rupees. Yes guys. So yes guys, is another still viral purchase from Amazon. Okay, so now coming to थोड़ा essential वाला part में. So the item that I have with me is, ta-da! Guys, who don't travel? Everybody travels, right? Everybody travels, especially when you are traveling via airplane. उस टाइम आपको इतना ज्यादा दिक्कत होता है कितना ले जाना है. Being a girl, I know the struggle, trust me guys. So I'm not gatekeeping anything with me. So I have here with me like this measurement device from which you can measure your trolley. ऐसा hook करके ऐसा करना पड़ेगा and they'll show you here the weight. Okay, so we know that 15 kg 7 kg only we are allowed. So guys, this is for all of you out there. Highly recommended. And with this आपको इसके साथ ये वाला बैटरी भी मिल जाएगा. सो आपको इसके अंदर बैटरी डालना है एंड इसको आपको सिर्फ यूज करना है गाइस. दिस इज द मोस्ट एसेंशियल थिंग एंड आई थिंक वन ऑफ द वेरी स्मार्टेस्ट परचेज दैट यू कैन गो विथ. ओके, and to be honest guys, ये expensive ही नहीं है. This is just for 249 rupees. Can you believe me? And in 245 you are going to save so much of amount, especially when you are traveling via airplane. Okay, so yes guys, this is highly recommended. And insert this battery inside this device and then you are good to go. I think everyone must have this in their home for sure. So yes guys, this is another item. Okay, so another essential item that I have with me is, ta-da! Guys, this is savior for me because I am from hilly region and इधर बारिश सूखने का सवाल ही नहीं होता है गाइज. एंड आई लव टू वेयर फैंसी शूज लाइक हील्स एंड ऑल. एंड मैं जहाँ काम करती हूँ वो थोड़ा विलेज वाला एरिया है. ओके, एंड उसमें मेरा प्रॉपर वाला सीमेंटेड रोड नहीं है. सो इसीलिए मैंने ये वाला ऑर्डर किया है. इट इज अ शू कवर एंड गाइज यू कैन सी दैट राइट. आप ये तो धो भी सकते हो ना. सो यस गाइज, दिस इज हाउ यू it has this chain like this and then आपको इसके अंदर से आपका जूता डालना पड़ेगा और then you just need to zip it like this and then tie it like this and then you are good to go guys. And then आपको ये this is a reusable one. You can see that ये plastic material है. You can see that आपको different size में मिल जाएगा. मैंने XL वाला size में लिया है because हमारा जूता का size बड़ा ही होता है. So because of that, this is one of the savior that I got from Amazon and I was so happy to get one. The quality is like so good. इतना पतला वाला quality नहीं है जो इतना एक बार लगाने से फट जाएगा, ऐसा वाला नहीं है guys. The quality is really good. Highly recommended, especially if you are from northeast region or you have to go on a tour on a daily basis, especially during this rainy season. Trust me, this will be a savior for sure. And for this one, it just cost me 189 rupees and I think 189 you're gonna save lots of your shoes for sure. So yes guys, this is another item. Now moving towards our another essential item. So if you're a gym girly and if you are into your healthy era or if you like to eat proper, then you need to have this in your home. And item that I'm talking about is this weighing machine. And I got this specially for my mom because she has to weigh her salt every day. So because of that guys, you can see that it is very simple and then इसको on off करना पड़ेगा इधर से and then you have to just keep it like here and then you are good to go. आपको कितना प्रोटीन लेना है, कितना gram sugar, salt, जितना भी लेना है. My mom always weigh her salt in this particular machine because she can only have 4 grams of salt every day. So because of that, this is for her guys. And Amazon made me so easier because I got this from Amazon and it just cost me 109 rupees. And I think in 109 this is a steal deal guys. आप इसमें 10,000 ग्राम तक weigh कर सकते हो. You can see that right. And आपको different वाला mode भी मिल जाएगा. You can see that. Very simple and easiest to have in your kitchen or in your home for sure. So this is highly recommended. Another essential that I have here with me is that I'm into my gym era or healthy era, you can say that. And because of my busy schedule मुझे gym skip करना पड़ता है guys. Trust me, not willingly but because मेरे पास time ही नहीं होता है. Okay, so इसीलिए I got this mat, this yoga mat from Amazon. Trust me, this is one of the best yoga mat. इसमें मेरा दूसरा भी है पर वो ना फोल्ड ही नहीं होता है अच्छे से. बट इसका क्वालिटी इतना अच्छा है ना, ये पूरा ऐसा फोल्ड हो जाता. यू डोंट हैव टू थिंक ट्वाइस बिफोर बाइंग दिस वन बिकॉज ये इतना ज़्यादा अच्छे से फ्लैट हो जाता है एंड इट्स वेरी सॉफ्ट एज वेल. आई एम इन बेज एंड ब्लू कलर. यू कैन सी दैट डिफरेंट अदर कलर्स आर ऑल्सो अवेलेबल. एंड येस गाइज, आई गॉट दिस वन बिकॉज आई सॉ द रिव्यूज वर ऑल्सो रियली गुड. तो इसलिए मैंने इसको इसको ले लिया because I want to be fit. I don't, even if I'll skip the gym, I don't want to skip my workout, so that मैं इसको घर पे ही कर सकूं. इसीलिए guys, I got this one from Amazon, and for this one it cost me 489 rupees, and I think 489 it is a good deal, and you get this in other beautiful colors as well. Okay, so now moving towards our another item. This item is something different because मैंने इसको पहली बार लिया है, and it is an electrical massager. Okay, smart scalp massager इसमें भी लिखा हुआ है. With this you can massage your body as well. Okay, so especially ये मैंने अपने मम्मी के लिए लिया है. So मैंने इसको अभी तक खोल कर भी नहीं दिखाया guys. आपको इस इधर स्क्रीन में दिख रहा होगा अब तक तो. So yeah, it looks very cute. It is portable first of all, so it is very easy to carry. Okay, so this is the brushes that they provide right here, and then आपको इसे on off करने वाला मशीन भी मिल जाएगा. Oh my god, I love the color. First of all, आपको ऐसा 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 करके ऐसा इसको मसाज करना पड़ेगा, ऐसा 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 करके, and even you can massage your body as well like this, and it is electrical one. Okay, so this you get this cable, and then you just need to charge it. From here you get the charging point, and this is the cable, and then आपको इसमें plug करके इसको charge करके, and then you can start your massage. Okay, आपको इसके पूरा charge करके unplug करके कर भी सकते हो. Okay, and I prefer to do in that way. So yes guys, ये कितना effective होगा, I'll just let you know. The first impression, I really like the color. It is really portable, and then the bristle is also soft, not that hard, to be honest. Absolutely love it. Very easy. It feels like my phone. Hello. So yeah guys, hello. So yes guys, I really love the color, to be honest. Gray and pink looks too good. Okay, so yeah, this is the one that I have with me, and for this one it cost me 459 rupees. If it is really good, I'll let you know guys. So yeah, this is the another one, something new viral found from Amazon, and I think ये अच्छा काम करेगा. मुझे ये inner feeling बोल रहा है. Anyway, so yes guys, this is another item. Okay, so now moving towards our last two items. So the another item that I have with me is, ta-da! Guys, this is from Senfe guys, and being a girl, we know that how important our intimate hygiene is. So yes guys, because of that also I got this one. This is instant tan and dead skin removal, you know, in and around your intimate areas. I think this is my third package, and yeah, इसको ना लगाने से आपको instant काम नहीं दिखेगा for sure. Though it has written here as instant, but time लगेगा. It is a exfoliating gel from Senfe. So yeah, I will recommend this one. You can give it a shot because it is working for me, so I believe that आपको भी work करेगा. So yes guys, this is the one that I have with me. Its original price is 399, but on sale it just cost me 269 rupees, and I think in 269 it is one of the best product that you can have for your intimate hygiene. Okay, so now moving towards our last item. So the last item that I have with me is, ta-da! Guys, this serum from Hyphen Double Shot Radiance Lift Serum. Okay, this is one of the viral serum. We all know that. And this is my second bottle. Trust me, I love this serum. It works wonder on my skin. So yes, guys, this is highly recommended. You can get this from Amazon. Its original price was like 649, but on sale it just cost me 540 something. So yes, guys, this is the one. You have to shake it before you apply it. Okay, so yes guys, this is the last item that I have with me. So yes guys, that is it. Please do let me know in the comment box below what are the other Amazon haul video that you want to see on my channel, and I'll surely come up with that as well. So yes guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.